Okay, Vikrant, you just lost the match and you're out of the out of the finals now. So what are your opinions?
Well, I think it's an achievement for Rangde being a new team to just reach the semi-finals and
Brilliant effort.
play in the same league as Bullets, Titans and PCL, all of them being great teams. So it's a good learning experience for all our players, and I think next semester we would only gain from the experience. So I can just say that it's a good learning experience.
What about you, Dhawan? What do you have to say to that?
I think it was a good semi-final. Most of it was decided before I knew we would win, but they really give us a good fight, and we look for a tough final now.
Any good players out of this, Vikrant? Like Dhawan, any good talent?
Definitely, I think Vikrant, Sharma boy speaks a lot and bats also pretty well. Sudeep Kumar is a good.
I think
And I think from here on,
for the Rangde team.
Kunal is also good.
Kunal has been consistent.
I don't know why
also,
Drumil left his wicket keeper.
I think
He's right
Sudeep-
here, yeah, dude. But
Sudeep, if he applies himself a bit more, I think would be a great batsman.
but I think this is a good team. They can build up in the future.
What do you think about the young Amar Ahmed?
Amar Ahmed is young
Just
and because
a talent,
he's young,
a talent wasted. A talent
can,
wasted.
Can we just
He was
let him
discovered too
talk?
late.
Okay, we'll just ignore him. We'll just ignore him.
He's using profanity also.
Looking forward to the final, Mr. Dhawan now.
Absolutely, I think we'll play most
overrated.
likely.
Titans.
Before today's game, I thought we would play with PCL, but after today's insipid effort, I'm sad to say that we might play Titans the way it looks.
Alright, that's
On the other note, I think
I love you.
since the tournament has thrown up so many surprises, PCL has gone down to Rangde and today almost to India 9. I think they would spring a surprise against the Titans. You never know the way tournament has turned out. So you might just see PCL versus the Bullets final, which is going to be a good one.
And I would be partial. I would naturally say Bullets would win the final, but let's ask a neutral.
Seeing the way the tournament has progressed, the most consistent, no doubtedly, has been the Bullets. But then you never know. Like it's just one day and one final. It's not a best of three final.
Where would you put your money for the final?
I would put my money on Bullets undoubtedly because the way they played throughout
Because
the
they've
semester.
beaten us.
But
the
then
best.
Titans has been almost beaten by Venom and they got beaten by us the other day. So I don't think I would put my money on them. To be safe, I would put my money on Bullets for sure.
Shekhar?
The little master.
I can't say anything, man.
Why?
I would
How was the run out?
PCL, man. PCL all the way. So.
PCL is all the way.
Okay, we got everyone supporting every team. So looking forward to the finals, Dhawan.
Absolutely.
Will you be there, Vikrant?
Yeah, definitely I'll be there for the final.
What about you, Dhrumil? 4 ducks in a row. What do you have to say to that?
I can't say anything, man. I have to show something now.
He's saying one more coming up.
Next season.
Alright, guys. Peace out. Thanks for coming.
Yeah.
And